Hello, dear friends of Brain Boost International Academy. This is Uncle John, the math and science teacher. You're now familiar with it. I've come again to discuss about this exercise. We're going to answer it together. We're going to see new other methods of how to calculate the lowest common multiple. This exercise is about calculating lowest common multiple or the least common multiple. Most people shorten it and say LCM. Before we start, I would like to thank people who are following the channel. I've seen that the numbers started increasing day by day. I've seen that the views are also increasing. That's quite constructive. I really thank everyone that visits my channel. I really thank everyone that opens a video and takes the time to watch. I really thank every child that opens a video and follow, because every video that is dropped on the channel, it is for the betterment. It is for the betterment of you. It is for the growth of you. And again, if you get something new here, it's quite amazing. My objective will have been achieved, because you guys, you're my friends, little children. I want you to always take revision from here. Always check here. You'll always find many exercises, most especially in math and science, that will always help you develop, will always help you revise, that will always help you get new skills in whatever you're studying at school, whether African local curricula or Cambridge curricula. My channel is aiming to help both national students in African countries and the students that are running or that are undergoing the Cambridge curriculum. Thank you. Let's start with question number 1. In a gym class, students clap every 9 seconds, stomp every 12 seconds, snap every 20 seconds. They do all three at time 0. After how many seconds will all three actions happen together again? Follow. There are many ways to find the LCM as you've studied at school, and those who have not, it's still your time to follow and see. Number 1, you can first check the multiples of 9 that start with 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 50. You continue that way, 54, and so on. You again find the multiples of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and so on. Then multiples of 20 as 20, 40, 60, 80, and so on. For instance, you can stop on 20th multiple. You would have got the common multiples, and you will easily access the least common multiple. That is it. But still, for me, I still find it easy but time consuming. Dear friends, follow this table method to find the LCM. Number 1, I will come and put the numbers here. 9, I'll press 12 next here, I'll press 20 next here. After that, I will start dividing. The numbers we divide, we use prime numbers. Prime numbers are these numbers that only have two factors. For instance, 2 has two factors. That is 1 and 2 itself. So that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. So we are starting with the 2, every even number. When you have an even number, you all need to start with 2. So 9 divided by 2 is impossible. If it is impossible, I copy it down. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then 20 divided by 2 equals to 10. I again divide by 2 because of 6 and 10 there. And then 9 divided by 2 is still impossible. I copy it down. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. So I will now go to 3 because 2 can no longer work to any of the 3 numbers. There I'll put 3. Then 9 divided by 3 I get 3. Then 3 divided by 3, the answer is the remainder is 1. 5 divided by 3 is impossible, so I'll copy 5 down. So again 3 is still working since I still have 3. Then 3 divided by 3, the remainder is 1. And then you can copy this one down or you leave it. And then here 5 divided by 3 equals to 5. The remainder is still 5. Why? Because it is impossible. You don't need to divide. Otherwise, you put 5 here. Here the remainder is again 1. You can copy these ones here down or you leave them. So you come this side and say that the LCM or the least common multiple of 9, 12, and 20 equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 180. Remember, this 180 stands for seconds. So you will say, you again repeat this question and say, all three actions, all three actions, will happen together, again, after 180 seconds. This is the table method. Doesn't take you much time, like finding multiples, common multiples, and at last you come to find the least common multiple. When you do use this table method, it is very easier and it shortens the time actually. This was question 1. We can move to question 2. 3 delivery trucks return to the warehouse on repeating schedules. Truck A returns every 14 days. Truck B returns every 21 days. Truck C returns every 30 days. All arrive on the same day together. In how many days we all three arrive together again. Now, how many days will all three arrive together again? Let's use the table method. The table method is quite simple. Doesn't take us to find multiples of each numbers as you see them three here. I'll put in 14 here, 14, I'll press 21 here. After that, I'll put 30 here. After that, I'll come here and say 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. Equals to 7. 21 divided by 3, still it is, 2, it is 21. Because 21 divided by 2 is impossible, then you need to copy 21 down. So 30 divided by 3 we shall get 15. So here 7 divided by 2 equals to, it is impossible. So 22 divided by 2 is still impossible. 15 by 2 is still impossible. We go to 3. By 7 is impossible. So if it is impossible, we copy this 7 down here. Then 21 divided by 3, we get 7. 15 by 3, we get 5. So 3 can no longer work to 7 and 5. That's why here I'll press 5. 7 divided by 5 is impossible. We copy 7 here. Again 7 here. Again 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. So by 5 it is no longer working here. So we can put 7 where we shall get 1 as a remainder. Then 7 divided by 7 is still 1 as the remainder. So you come here again and say, that the LCM of 14, 21 and 30 equals to 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 times 7. Times 7, where you get that the answer you can calculate together, but finally we get 210. So here you will say that all three tracks will arrive together, again after 210 days. After 210 days, you see, you first find the LCM. After you have done your LCM, you come up down here. This one says, in how many days will all three arrive together again? So they will all arrive together again after 210 days. That's when they will turn to the warehouse together again. So friends, let's move to question 3 that I'm marking the last. We can read it together, no problem. 3, 2, 1. 3 musicians begin practicing at the same time. The drummer takes a break every 10 minutes. The guitarist every 15 minutes. The pianist every 24 minutes. After how many minutes will all three take a break at the same time again? What we do here, we're going to use the table method as usual, so we can shorten the time. So here we press 10, here we press 15, 15 here, we press 24 here. After that, we can start dividing. When you are dividing, every time, remember friends, we always divide starting by 2. So we shall start by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals to 5. 15 divided by 2 is impossible. So if it is impossible, we need to copy 15 down. 24 divided by 2 equals to 12. So I will take again, by 2 is still possible. Not so, check. 12 is still even number. So by 2 is still possible. By 2 is still possible. With the 5 is impossible, you copy it down. 15 is impossible because it is an odd number, so need to copy it down. By 12, you still get 6 when divided by 2. Good. So by 2 is still possible because 6 can work. So we divide by 2. By 5 is possible. We copy this 5 down. 15, we bring this 15 down. So by 6 by 2, we get 3. Friends, you can see it. So now the numbers, the remainders are all odd numbers. What we do here, we go to the next prime number that is next to 2, which is exactly, telling me friends, the next prime number to 2 is, wow, that's wonderful, it's amazing, it's number 3. Yes, number 3. So 5 divided by 3 is impossible. We copy this 5 down. 15 divided by 3 is possible, so it is 5. Then 3 divided by 3, you get 1. When you get 1, you consider that number to be done. So we have 5, 3 can no longer work with the 5s. So we go to the next prime number to 3. Friends, it is 3 to 1. Yes. Wonderful. It is 5. So we put 5. Then 5 divided by 5, we get 1. Again here, we get 5. I mean 1 as the remainder when you divide 5 by 5. When you're done with this, we are almost at the end, friends. As usual, you come here and say that the LCM or the least common multiple of 10, 15 and 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, then times 5. That results to 120. Yes, you got it. 120. So here they asked, when you get the LCM, it's better you again say, you come to the question. You say, after how many minutes will all three tracks, of course, take a break at the same time again? So you say that all 3 tracks All 3 tracks. We'll take a break again. We'll take a break again, together, or you can say take a break, together, again, after 120 minutes. Friends, don't you find that it was fun? Actually, mathematics is fun only when you give it time. It is not that lesson you study with the teacher in class, you go close the books, you go as if there is nothing left, then you close your legs and arms, you expect to come and get marks. Mathematics, if you want it to be fun, a fun lesson, give it time. Every time, every free time of yours, please have a mathematical exercise with your partner. It helps. Exercise each other. Yes, like we have studied this, you can just pick 3 numbers, you give them to your friend and say, we are going to find LCM together. Let's see who will come to the LCM before another one. You do it as fun, as a competition, but again fun. That's when you can find mathematics is becoming fun. Actually, for me, mathematics is my best and favorite subject. But I'm sure as you keep subscribing to Brain Boost International Academy, you will come to like math, and you will find mathematics is the best. Actually, it is even the best. Yeah. So I do request you guys to subscribe to Brain Boost International Academy so that everyone you can see mathematical and science exercise that will always post here. Share it, share the link, the channel link with your friends, or you can tell your friends to search Brain Boost International Academy. Have time and watch. Again, you can share it, you can like, you can again even give me the comments. I really thank you, friends. Ciao.